Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Stop by and take a look at the 2022 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.